So we have to take the leftover numbers, this row, leaving this row and this column which is contained in 3. So we are left with 4 numbers. You will be given only 3 by 3 order, not more than that. So write the 4 numbers 2, -1, 4 and 7. Now take the second number. Second number is here -2. Now we have to leave this row and the column containing -2. Leave this row and the column containing -2. So what is left? 1 -1 0 7, right? 1 -1 0 7. Now the last number 5 is here. So again leave that row and leave that column containing 5. So leaving this row, leaving this column, we are left with 1 2 0 4, 1 2 0 4. Now as we have seen that how to solve this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, now we have got 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 here, 2 by 2 here. Along with this number 3, we have to solve this value like we have solved here. 2 into 7 minus 1, 4 into -1. Same way, along with sign minus minus is plus 2. 1 into 7 minus 0 into -1. 0 into -1. And then comes 5 into 1 into 4 minus 0 into 2. Now solve this further. 2 sevens are 14. 4 into -1 -4, -4 minus is plus 4. 2 into 1 7 is 7. 0 into -1 is 0. Next comes 4 1s are 4. 0 into 2 is 0. Open the bracket. 18. This is 18 into 3. 7 into 2. 5 4s are 20. So again it's coming 88. Let us try one more question. See, this is a question in which we have 3 4 -4 5 1 1 -2 and 2 3 1. So again I am taking first row. You can take any row or any column. Answer will remain same. So 3 -4 and 5 I have taken, and as explained, the sign will be of the first row will be like this, plus minus plus. If I would have taken this second row, the sign will be like this. If I would have taken the third row, the sign would have been like this. It's alternately plus minus. Starting from plus, take alternately plus minus, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So I have taken the first row, 3 -4 and 5, along with the sign plus 3 -4 minus of the second value and plus of the third value. Now leaving this row and leaving this column, we are left with these 4 numbers. So 1 into 1 minus 2 into -2 into 3. Now minus leaving the row of this one and this row and this column, we are left with 4 numbers, this. So cross multiply the value, 1 into 1 minus 2 into -2, 1 into 1 minus 2 into -2. Leaving this row and the column of 5, we are left with these 4 numbers. Cross multiply the values, 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2. Now solve this. 1 3 2 is 6, minus minus plus, 1 1 is 1, minus minus plus, 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3, 2 1 is 2, 7 3 21, 1 plus 4 5, 5 4 is 20, and 3 2 minus 2 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5. We are getting 46. Now see what are minors and cofactors. What are minors and cofactors? See, what are minors and cofactors? Suppose any determinant is given. So the minor will be what? Suppose 2 by 2 order is given here. So the minor of 2, that is this is what is the position of 2? 2 is in the first row and the first column. So minor of first row and first column, 1 by 1 means first row, first column. At the first row and first column is 2. So minor of 2 will be what? Opposite, leaving this row and column, 7 is there. So this will be the answer. What will be the minor of first row and second column? That is, I am talking about 3, minus 3. So leaving this row and this column, 4 will be the answer. Now second row, first column. This is second row and this is first column. That is, we are talking about 4. What is the minor of 4? That is second row and first column. It will be opposite to this, that is minus 3. Leaving this row and this column, this is left. So whatever is left is the answer. Second row, second column, that is second row and second column. That means we are talking about 7. So what leaving the row of 7 and the column of 7, we are left with 2. So whatever is left is the answer. This is called minor, represented by M. M11 means first row, first column. M12 means first row, second column. Now the cofactors. Cofactor is denoted by A. What is the cofactor of first row, first column? First row, second column. Cofactor of second row, first column. Second row, second column. Whatever answer you are getting from the minor, write it here. First row, second column. Write 4. Write 3 here, along with the sign, and 2 here. Now what is new thing added here? Write -1 in all the cases. And write row and column. Whatever is written, add the two values. 1 plus 1. Here we have 1, 2. So 1 plus 2. Here we have 2, 1. That is 2 plus 1. Here we have 2, second row, second column. So add the row and column, 2 plus 2. So now you can see the answer. There will be only change in sign with minor and cofactor. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 minus 1 to the power 2 will give plus sign. So answer will remain same. 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 will give opposite sign, that is negative sign. So minus minus gives plus. Minus 1 to the power 3, again negative sign. Negative, positive is negative. 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive. So the answer is positive here. So plus 2, this gives plus 2. So this way we take out the minors and cofactors of any determinant. This way we can take out the minors and cofactors of 3 by 3 determinant also.